Oh my god, I didn't know it was going to come out like this. It's actually looking beautiful. This is definitely going to give me scalp just like I always wanted it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to bleach your hair using the technique I saw on Instagram. So it was really wild when I saw this girl putting what's it called, purple shampoo in her mixture. So I was like, let's try this. So I'll be using the Claro Pure White developer to do this. So first off, I went on to like apply it on the lace first. Wild, right? That was the same reaction I had when I did this at first. Then after this, you're going to allow it sit for like 2 minutes and then mix your bleach powder and the developer. So I'm going to be using the BW2 Claro Professional Bleach Powder because this is the same product the chick used in the video. So you guys, let's go. So I'm going to put a small amount in my mix plate and then stir it. So up next, I'm going to get my Shimmerlight Purple Shampoo and then do a few drops in my mix plate. So in that video, after putting few drops of her purple shampoo in the container, she made sure she stirred it. I really don't know why, but let's just assume she wanted everything to like mix in together. Okay, so you guys, she let her sit for 20 minutes, which I'm also going to do in this video. If you watch my videos very well, you know I like my bleach to sit for 20 minutes also, so this is something. So let's just go ahead and let it sit after the application. So it's time now. We're going to wash this out. And when you're washing out your bleach, make sure you wash it thoroughly. So I like to take my time when I'm doing this because I don't want the bleach to still be in the hair. Because trust me, it's going to continue to bleach the hair as time goes on. So you guys, I'm going to just place it on my hand to see if this is actually working or not. So I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's actually giving everything it's supposed to give. And trust me, I'm going to turn this into like my regular routine when it comes to, bleaching frontal knots. Okay, so you guys, we're going to wash it one more time with my purple shampoo. That's the same thing she did in the video. This is to take out the extra brassiness in the hair. So we're going to just wash it out thoroughly one more time to make sure everything goes out. So let me know if you like this method in the comments below, and trust me guys, this is what I'm definitely going to keep doing because I actually like the outcome. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.